In 2009, in a small Ohio town, 19-year-old Emily Ross went missing after a night out with friends. She had texted her mother saying she'd be home soon, but that was the last message she ever sent. Her car was found abandoned on a dirt road the next morning, headlights still on, driver's door open. Inside, her purse and phone were untouched. For days, volunteers searched the nearby woods until a hiker stumbled upon a shallow grave. Emily's body was found with signs of strangulation. Detectives noticed tire tracks near the site, matching those of her ex-boyfriend's truck. When questioned, he claimed he hadn't seen her in months, but phone records showed multiple calls to her that same night. Police obtained a warrant and searched his garage, uncovering a rope and torn piece of fabric identical to the one found near Emily's body. He eventually confessed, saying he only meant to talk, but things got out of hand when she tried to leave. He was sentenced to 45 years in prison. Her mother still keeps the porch light on every night, the same one Emily should have seen when she came home.